Welcome to the Niche Academy practice course. We're going to do a really quick demo, and by that I mean demonstration, about how to embed Niche Academy tutorials for an assessment, which means that you're going to actually have students complete it for a grade in Canvas. I'm going to use my practice course as you see here, but as it says in this kind of listing of things to do, we're going to go ahead and go in our left side nav in Canvas, and that's where all of our directions live. So all of our linked parts of the Canvas course, and we're going to choose assignments. Again, your assignments might be in a different place because you get to tell your course what it looks like. You might have some assignments listed, but maybe not. And then we're just going to choose this red button on the right side that says plus and then assignment. That's going to add the assignment. And again, we can call it whatever you want. Let's say that we're going to have our students learn about common sources, which I know is one of the tutorials that's available in Niche right now. I'll put some amazing description in the description box. And again, this should tell the student maybe how to access, what they should expect, how long it should take them, and then if they have any questions, how they can maybe get some help, right? Our normal assignment behaviors. We're going to scroll down, and again, this is where we want to assign our points. Again, if you are thinking about having this as an assignment that you want in your grade book, you'll want to make sure this aligns with your grading schema. I'll just say that I'm going to give 10 points just and again, I'll keep it in my normal group. I want this to display as points. Again, all of this is up to you as a part of your grading schema for your course. Okay, now this is where we actually choose the niche product. So in a submission type, you're going to actually go in here, and instead of online, you're going to choose the last option, which is external tool. And usually anytime you have something coming out from outside Canvas, you'll choose external tool, including any types of apps. So we don't know what it is, so let's go find it. We're going to choose the find button that's gray here. And this will give us a listing of all the possible things that we can choose from. Again, if you have any external tools, they'll live here. And we can just scroll right on down because they are in alphabetic order to niche. And there we see niche. We're going to go ahead and select that source. And then this box should come up that says the link source resource from external tool. That means that we're going to link our niche into our assignment. And again, I'm going to do common sources because that's the one I like best. And it really helps students understand what types of sources they'll be seeing for their assignments. I'm going to select using this red button in this configure external tool box, and just as a reminder, do not click this load in a new tab. For accessibility purposes, it's actually best to open new resources in the same window for students. So we'll go ahead and select. I'm going to be kind and let my students take this as many times as they want, but again, you can change that depending on your grading schema. Everyone's going to do it, and then that should be it. I'm going to go ahead and save and publish. And again, publish in Canvas always means that we are making this live to our students. If you need to make some more changes, you can just click save. But here it is, and this is what it'll look like. As you can see, it already adapted the title of my tutorial that I have added in here. It looks like a normal assignment if they start this. If there's some actual things that are graded in here, so those knowledge checks, that will be worth points now, and Niche Academy will figure that out according to how many points I want them to be given. And again, you can always go to SpeedGrader, as with all Canvas things, to see what people got out of 10 and even give them some fun comments if they either do a good job or you want them to try again. So that's it. That should get you going in terms of embedding Niche Academy as an assignment in Canvas. If you have any questions, please contact your distance education librarian.